Here we will write a Python program to display student total marks and percentage using non-parameterized constructor. So first in comment line we will write, first we will define class student and we will define constructor with init keyword. So def init with self. Since we are using non-parameterized constructor, we will initialize our variables in the constructor itself. So self dot roll number equal to 15, then self dot sname equal to student name. Then we will initialize marks for 3 subjects as self dot python equal to 67, self dot java equal to 78 and self dot c equal to 87. Then we will define one method student info and we will print these values, and then we will print the student information in this method, and also we will calculate the total and average. So first we will print roll number as print roll number and we will print self dot roll number. Then we will print name and we will print self dot sname. Then we will calculate the total for these 3 subjects. Then we will print marks of these 3 subjects. So print python equal to self dot python, then print java equal to self dot java and print c equal to self dot c. Then we will calculate the total as total equal to self dot python plus self dot java plus self dot c, and we will calculate percentage as total divided by 3, and we will print this total and percentage. So print total mark as total and print average as percentage. Then outside the class we will create object for this class student. So s equal to student, and we will call the method student info from that class as s dot student info. Before executing, we will use a self keyword with the method, and we execute this. It will print roll number, name, marks of 3 subjects, total and percentage. Here we are using non-parameterized constructor, so the variables are initialized inside this constructor, and whenever we execute this, it will give the same result.